Infinity Drain site-sizable linear drain systems allow for adjustment of the drain channel on site as well as placement of the outlet anywhere along the run of the channel. This video will show you the installation of our S-LTIFAS 65. However, the installation procedure applies to all models shown. The components shown are the contents of a complete kit. The hair and maintenance kit for your drain will include a lift-out key and hair basket for easy cleaning and maintenance once installation is complete. Determine the location of the drain outlet. The installation instructions include a template for using one of our compact drain body assemblies. Use the template and mark the centers of the holes through the paper. Drill the 4 1 1/8 inch outer circles first. Then drill the 3.5 inch circle last. Place the drain body into the hole on the subfloor and ensure that it is level. If you're using a traditional round drain body and would like the drain to be installed flush against the wall, an additional layer of backer board will be needed to compensate for the drain radius. Next, remove the clamp ring on the drain body and prepare your subfloor for mortar. Spread tar paper and wire lath in over the subfloor before spreading the mortar bed. Next, secure the wire lath and tar paper onto the subfloor. Spread dry pack mortar over the subfloor. The mortar bed should be sloped in all directions toward the drain using a 1/4 inch per foot ratio. After the mortar bed is dry, spread the waterproofing membrane as per manufacturer's instructions and local code. Locate the drain body and make a cut through the waterproofing membrane to reattach the clamp ring. Measure the desired wall-to-wall length for the drain. Allow clearance for wall tile thickness, thin set, and 8 inches for the outlet section. Determine the outlet location. Cut the channel using a hacksaw or miter saw. Dry fit all components and clean using isopropyl alcohol. For all stainless steel models, apply a bead of the provided M1 Zika sealant to each of the channel joiner strips and the bottom of the stainless steel outlet section and channel. Push down on the joiner strip to firmly secure it in place and wipe away any extra sealant. Ensure the stainless steel channel is completely straight and level. Measure the inside length of the channel and mark the measured length on the outside edge of the channel trim. Using a pair of metal cutting snips, cut the channel trim at the mark. Then make a second cut along the short side and bend the channel trim back. Once the end is removed, file down any rough edges before installing onto the channel. Thread the TNAS threaded nipple into the clamp-down drain to the desired height. Place pea gravel around the clamp-down drain to ensure the weep holes are not blocked. Spread a thin layer of mortar around where the stainless steel channel will be set. Apply an additional bead of M1 sealant to the underside of the outlet section. Place fully into the threaded nipple and mortar and press down to secure the channel into place. After placement, ensure the channel is completely level. For high flow models, screw the top threaded ring of the included clamp-down drain onto the outlet section of the assembled channel. Reattach the clamping ring with the channel assembly together to the drain body and secure using the bolts from the clamp-down drain. After placement, ensure the channel is completely level. Spread the final mortar bed and pitch it towards the drain. Once the mortar bed has cured, apply thin set to the floor and install finish floor tile. The finish floor tile should sit 1/16 of an inch above the drain. Remove the ends of the tile insert frame and measure the inside length of the channel. Cut the tile insert frame to length from one end. Clean the stainless steel tile-in frame with isopropyl alcohol and apply a bead of the provided M1 sealant to the tile insert ends. Press down to bond the tile insert frame to the ends. Once the M1 sealant has dried, spread a thin layer of thin-set mortar on the back side of the finished tile and into the tile insert frame if needed. Place the finished tile into the tile insert frame for final assembly. Once the tile is cured inside the tile insert frame, place the included hair basket into the outlet for the drain and place the tile insert frame into the channel. Use the provided lift-out key to help support the tile insert frame when lowering it into the channel.